Hi guys, my name is Akshit and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the KineMaster so that you will know how to make your YouTube videos. KineMaster is actually really used for making videos. Until now, this is the addition of the tech videos of YouTube. So I'm teaching you X Recorder, Pixel Lab, KineMaster and other things, how to use them so that you can make your own YouTube channel. So I'm going to start and let's go. So guys, first we need KineMaster. You go to Play Store and type KineMaster, KineMaster, and then you open it. I already opening it. There will be a case symbol there. As yesterday I showed you some other things. Okay. So guys, now you see this icon. I can show you. You press this icon and from there you can start. Now this take the ratio of 6:9. Then only it will come very nice your YouTube videos. So what you have to do is, first of all, it will come like which one you want, which one you want. So I'm taking some. So wait. So wait a second. So guys, you see this media. You have to press to that media and it will come. So I'm going to go to the media. Guys, I've taken my previous videos. So I'm going to just edit it somehow. So after selecting it, you see this tick button. You have to press it. So you have to press that and it will get saved. So like now you see many buttons are there. Like you go to the setting button. Wait, I'll show you. Go to the setting button and you have to do everything full. Everything full. Okay, fine, sorry, I was a little wrong. You have to keep everything zero, or else that is the only problem. Okay, so you have to keep everything zero and you have to on auto master volume. It will be very nice. So now you see this is a layer part. If you want, you press it, you can see anything, handwriting. Suppose I'm keeping anything, I'm putting circle. So now you see the circle is coming and now you see. So hi guys, my name is Akshat and welcome to my channel. Today and this will be this is the text point, and if you want to cut this, you can put like this and cut it any way you want. You can cut it. And now this is again layer. You can go to text and write anything like wait, I'll show you. I'm putting please subscribe. If you want, you zoom it. If you want, you can put any text. I'm putting dried mono, sans mono. And you have to put the tick button always. If you want, it can go anywhere, like fade. Like how should it come? So if you put start, fine. These are some things. If you want, you can put stickers like some things, like alien. So I will go to put like this. See what will come. See, now you see. Last and the fourth step, which is known as the PLL. So okay, and this is the voice button. Other thing you can see by yourself, because I don't have to show you, because you know. Now this is the voice button. Voice button is awesome. So if you put start here, it will start recording. So I'll show you. Please subscribe. Wait, I'll start from again. There's some problem maybe because I'm using, so I'm putting like that, and if you want you can put stop anything, so blah blah blah. It can't be recorded because there was some problem because I'm using X recorder and KineMaster. That's why it's not recording, but it'll record for you, of course. Now you can see this audio. From this you can put background music. Suppose I don't have any backgrounds, so wait, I will mute and then I'll show you. Which one? I have downloaded someone. Yeah, I have downloaded this. No. If you want you can put any how much you want. Okay, I'm going to trim it at first. So guys, it's not taking trim. As I said you, there was oh yeah, I have to trim it. Wait, I can't trim it at all because I said you right, that was the problem. And this is any audio you can take. If it's not working for me, but it'll of course work for you. This is media. So again, if you want to pick more pictures you can put, and if you want to upload this video into YouTube, what you have to do is simple way. You press this icon and it will write here export, and it will say like 1.22 GB free, 202 MB, about 202 MB. If you want you can put it like this. Oh shit. So if you export, it will take time. I suppose I export it. You have to put skip, don't do anything else. It is taking a lot time. After you export, what will happen is, I will show you. There will be, after exporting, there will be a button like this. If you press it, you will see YouTube after exporting. I haven't exported because I have a lot less space, so that's why it's not getting exported. So some features about this. So thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. So bye bye.